How to delete all wallpapers on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top left of the screen to open the notification center. From here, press and hold anywhere on the screen to enter the wallpaper customization mode. You will now be able to see all of your saved wallpaper collections in a carousel view. To delete a wallpaper, simply swipe up on its preview. A trash can icon will appear below the wallpaper. Go ahead and tap on it. A confirmation message will pop up to ensure you want to delete it. Tap on the Delete this wallpaper option to permanently remove it. This action removes the wallpaper from both your lock screen and home screen. To delete all your wallpapers, you will need to repeat this simple process for each one in your collection. Following these steps, you can easily delete all wallpapers on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.